Hello everyone. For this last point, I will describe my house shortly. Mother and father. I thought I could not show them my house personally. You can also see some images. I hope you like. This is the entrance. It has wide and long corridor. I have many plants to decorate and aromatize this space. This is the room. Large and light colored sofas. They are very comfortable. This is large room. This is the bedroom. And it is a lot of light. I have a lot of pillows, and my own bedroom. It has a bathtub. Finally, this is the yard where we compare with my family and friends. My house is very cozy. My daily routine. I get up at 6:30 in the morning. I take a shower. I dress and I prepare coffee. Before leaving, I say goodbye to my husband and I leave at 7:30 to take the bus. I arrive at my job and I am cooking class and I organize my schedule. At 10 in the morning, breakfast, then I will market for the classes of the university. At 12 in the afternoon, lunch. At 4 in the afternoon, I go and arrive at my house. At 6 of the afternoon, I go to the gym with my husband. At 8, I eat something light. At 9 o'clock at night, I advance some tasks, and at 11 o'clock at night, I go to sleep. And finally, how is my city? Berlin is a beautiful city, very cosmopolitan, with many opportunities. It has museums, parks, cathedrals, and bars. People are serious but very friendly, and you always find how to have fun. I love this town. Thank you.